Hey y'all, so this is gonna be like a quarantine haul because we stuck in the house. So I went to the store and got a whole bunch of stuff that I've been wanting, I guess, just a little shopping spree so I can have something to do in the house. So I'm gonna just show y'all everything I got. I went to Walmart and I went to CVS. So let's get into it. Hey!
Pro-am on the
I really should organize this first. Like, how do I even want to talk about this? Okay. Organizing a few things. I hope my bun don't look small as hell. Because I do have hair. We're just going to cover the bun every time I turn. I don't care. I don't care. Okay. So I really didn't get that much, y'all, but I just wanted to show y'all what I did get. Some things to just do or whatever. Okay, and I don't know how much all this costs, and I don't have the receipt, so don't ask me that shit. Google it. I might Google it. And I might put it in the description. Everything I bought, I'll Google it, how much it is, and I'll put it in the description. Since I ain't got nothing to do. Okay, let's proceed on. The main thing I went to the store to get was this. I don't know if it's gonna be backwards. I don't know. But it's this Nair shower power. With 100% natural Moroccan argan oil and orange blossom. I've heard from, I don't know if y'all know who it is, but her name is Jai_nice on Instagram. I've seen her post this a few times, but the reason why I want to go get it is because my friend, on Instagram, her name is Girl You Fine. She had it, and she said that it was real good, so I was like, if my bitch say that the cootie gonna be bald, I might as well go get it too. So yes, go follow my friend. I'm gonna put her ad too since I got it from her. Yeah, boom. This, but I kind of went a little overboard because I only found this once I got to CVS. I went to Walmart first, so Walmart had this version of it. It's a glides away version. So basically it's like, it looked like deodorant. Okay, it's gonna come out like that, like some deodorant basically, but it say don't rub it in. I already know how this type of stuff work. You get it too much around your kuka, you're gonna be a hoo-ha because it's gonna be burning like hell. And I also got this spray on version. I got 3 different versions of it for legs and body. So I might like use this for my legs. I don't know. I just know I had to get it. We're gonna move, still staying self-care, I guess you can say. I got this sweet, I shouldn't have grabbed this one because it looks dirty. This sweet almond oil, 100% virgin almond oil by Shea Moisture. I'm guessing I could put it in my hair and stuff. I just wanted to know how it smelled. It sounded like it smelled good, so I got it. Yeah, I kind of just went go bullshit away to Walmart. I don't want to put my mouth on that. Corona. I need to go wash my hands again. from touching all this shit. I don't know how it smells. Can you smell it? Man, I can't smell nothing. Oh, so let me find out I got this for no reason. Don't even have no smell. Man, this don't even smell like nothing. As a massage oil or in your bath. Nobody give me no massages lately. I'm rubbing it on my knees, by the way, because I ain't want to waste it. So yes, this sweet almond oil, got that. Doesn't have much of a scent. Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. I know how much this was. This was like $22.47. Pillow Soft Curls. I got this one from CVS. Normally I like to go get Miss Jessie's stuff from Target, but I didn't feel like going all the way over there. But Target be having a bigger selection, and my sister loves the Honey Curls by Miss Jessie. Like, it just be making our hair just so, like, my hair good, period. But like, our curls be like more defined. See me, like, my hair turns into a fro. Like, my curls don't be like pretty ringlets like it do when I just be brushing it back into my ponytail and stuff. Like, when it dries normal, it's like a fro. But the honey curls be making our curls like defined. Like, I wish I can get my sister in here to show. But this is the Pillow Soft Curls. Been hearing about this primer, so I want to go get this Baby Skin by Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser. Yes, I've been saying to go get this. Oh, you can use it by itself too. Without clogging and transparent gel, smooth on clear. Use alone or under makeup. Yeah, been wanting this because I heard this works so good. I also got this primer, poreless face primer by Elf, because Elf products be good, and it says it's cruelty free and vegan. I didn't know that. Didn't know that about Elf. My mom just sent me something on Facebook. I also got this Elf hydrating camo concealer. My little sister actually told me that this one was pretty good because she said she tested it in Sephora and she said it was good. I'm about to, let's see just how good it is. It reminds me of Fenty kinda. Uh-oh, I like this. Let's see. What I want to put it on. Let's see what it do on top of this. I don't even have I thought my beauty blender was over here. Okay, I like that. It might be a little too light for me and I didn't blend it in enough, but okay, yeah, I like that. Oh, I like that. I like that. I like that. Definitely like that. So yeah, that's the full coverage satin hydro camo concealer by Elf. I got it in light beige, and it might be a little too light for me, but I mean, it is concealer, so it kind of needs to be a little lighter, and I didn't really just blend it in that well. Then I got some lip liners. I get lip liners almost every time I go to Walmart because you can never have too many lip liners, babe. I'm sorry, you can't. And I also got a new NYX eyebrow. I'm really loving this eyebrow pencil. It's NYX Professional whatever eyebrow pencil, and it comes with like the spoolie on this end, and you can sharpen it more the more you need it. Okay, and my lip liners, I got, these are the matte suede ones. I'm looking for the color London, and I like the London lip color, so this is good. Okay, this is London, and this is Downtown Beauty. But yeah, I get darker colored ones. This one I just happen to get because it looked cute and peachy, and not be blending with my line. Like, when I don't want to do too much of a liner and I just kind of want my lips to look a little bit more full, I just do a color that more match my lip. But I love a dark color. I just dropped it a bit loud. But yeah, I love a dark color too. Okay, got that. Had to re-up on some eyelash glue because I think I'm gonna do like some eyelash extensions, like some individuals by myself, like with some old lashes. I might do that on, I might record that too. I don't know. But yeah, I got this one. This is the one that dries on, this is the dark one. And this is the one that dries on clear. So yeah, I got two because I knew I was gonna need a lot. Okay, I got this because I be seeing everybody have this. I don't know. I don't even know really who's it by. But yeah, I got this because I be seeing everybody have it. Okay. Can't be the trendsetter all the time. Oh, I like this. And it comes with one of these. Oh, I like that. I might become a makeup guru as well while we're in this quarantine, honey. So yes, got that. And then this is what I'm the most excited about. Complete salon acrylic kit. Watched a few YouTubes on this. I don't know if I want to record this, but I kind of do. I want to record doing it. I don't know. I'm really excited about it though. I have to go soak off these. And so I got a whole bunch of colors. And they say that they're gel colors too. Oh, I just say gel like shine. So I don't know if they're really gel, but these are by LA Colors. I got pink. I got this blue for my sister. Is the same one? Oh no. So we got a regular like Easter green and a neon green. I'm gonna do that again. A regular Easter green and a neon green. And then I got these by this by a different brand, by Sally Hansen. I got this color because this looks cute, and this is my top coat. Let me find out I got the wrong thing. Because why does this look black? I got the wrong, man, I got the wrong one. But I think my mama got the gel coat. Hopefully she do, because that's ridiculous. But yeah, that's all I got. So I'm probably going to do a YouTube doing my nails for sure, so y'all can just see me probably fuck up a few times. And I want to review these two because I don't really care about the setting powder, but like the two primers and the concealers for sure. Like I want y'all to know how I like those because I'm kind of excited about those. And I mean, if y'all want to know how my tootie turned out bald, I mean, I could update y'all on that too. I don't know what y'all really just want. So I don't know. But that tootie will be bald, boo. Actually, guys, tell me which one you guys want me to try first. Should I try this one first, the spray on, the pump one, or the deodorant stick looking one? Tell me which one I should try first. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Yeah. This video is over. Yeah. Toodaloo. Love you guys. Stay baddies. I love all of my baddies. Baddie, 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 baddie. Giving you some baddie energy. Giving you some baddie energy. Toodles.